Good morning. I slept okay last night. It's not cold at all. I have 5.5 miles till the road and then a 3-mile road walk to get to the Stagecoach RV camp. If I'm lucky, I'll get a hitch, but we'll see. 5.5 miles is the priority at this time. It's gonna be a while. 7 a.m., all packed up and ready to go. This campsite was supposed to be super windy, and it was when I first got here, but it died down overnight, and it was really nice. Getting here last night was pretty sketchy on this trail. I'm hoping I can get there by 10. 3 hours, we'll see. That is dependent on a hitch. If I don't get a hitch, then I won't be there till 11, but I'm just excited to take a little bit of a break today. One more small climb and then it's all downhill from here. Getting closer. Finally on the desert floor. Only another third of a mile until I reach the Stagecoach break off road. Oh, hallelujah, dude. I'm starving. I'm caught on the tree here. Okay, so it's a little over half a mile actually from that pipe gate to the Stagecoach break off road. I am so hungry and so emotional. I just can't wait to be there. And it's effing hot. Man, I was really hoping that I would be there by now. It's almost 10, but I still have the road walk to do, and that's 3 miles. It's flat and it's a road walk, so it's easy. Like, there's no rocks or anything on the road and things like that. But man, I was just hoping I'd be there by now. that right there is where I'm trying to go. Then I'm gonna go 3 miles to the right. Hopefully it goes by quick, because I am hungry. That's where the PCT keeps going, so I'll come back to this point. Stagecoach. Free scoop of ice cream with purchase of a night stay. PCT time rate 14 plus tax. Goodbye, first 76 miles. I'll be back for those ones. But for now, we're going this way. Wish me luck. Maybe I'll get a hitch and I won't have to walk 3 miles. I got a hitch here, and the lady gave me a bag of tomatoes. Oh, they're delicious. And those people were so sweet. Oh my god. Dessert first. Okay, to the dorms. Just down the road from the general store and the restaurant. My dorm, so far, I have it all to myself. They move so fast. I never get my camera out in time. It feels so good to be off my feet for a little while. Oh, I just ate like the fattest lunch. Tater tots, chili dog, like 5 refills of soda. I need to do laundry. I wanted to go swimming, but oh, my stomach isn't feeling very good. So I'm gonna hold off on that. It's just like every 5 minutes there's another military aerial vehicle. Don't know why. There must be some sort of like test base or something, or maybe they're just monitoring the border. I mean, we're pretty far up north now. This is like off the 76th mile of the trail. I'm gonna get a few things at the store before they close, and then enjoy the rest of the afternoon doing chores. That right there is a great cactus.
Well,
Yummy.
I'm not that very good at. I'll go straight yes, no kind of thing, and I can type it in anything.
I'm so glad that I went back for ice cream. It was so good. Everything I have looks so neat when it's not in my backpack, and it's crazy that it all fits in there. So for this trip, I've been using this like old food canister as my animal-proof box, I guess you could say. Haven't had any issues, and I feel like it's a good size for the duration of these short little stretches. A nice relaxing evening. This is pretty cold. And there's a lot of bees. Clean. Oh, that's pretty. All right, time to do some chores. And now we wait. I was planning to do these things last night, but instead I passed out. Almost right after sunset. I went and dipped my feet in the pool and I watched the sunset and then went back to my room and fell asleep. Alright, well, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do from here because my original plan is slowly fading into non-existence due to weather. There's some snow expected in San Jacinto when I'm supposed to get there next week, and I am not interested in putting myself in that kind of predicament, and I also need to be home by the end of next week, so I can't like take days off there, I guess you could say. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm contemplating going. I would have to stay here one more day, but then I could get the bus out of here and potentially go to a different part of the trail. Trying to weigh all my options. See you later, Stagecoach. Cool little place. All right, there's my bus stop sign. 891. Friday mornings. And now we wait. Bus is supposed to be here at 8:15 a.m. It is 8 o'clock.